Started my day earlier. I already had breakfast. Now I'm just here chilling in the living room watching some YouTube videos, guys. And I don't really have much planned today, but I'm gonna take y'all with me, let you see what's going on. Let's go.
Check this out, guys. I'm in a parking lot right now, and I'm about to head into Bealls outlet. I have $20 on me, $20 cash. All right, that's all I'm gonna be spending once I get to the cashier. So hopefully I can get a nice little outfit, or maybe 2 or 3 shirts, t-shirts, graphic tee. So we'll see how it works out. All right, let's go. Follow me.
Let me know what y'all think. Y'all really think that I can stay under 20 bucks? Let's see. All right, so I'm looking for large graphic tees. What is this? Yeah, rain jacket, all right. I don't need that. These are mainly outdoor stuff right here. All right, these are active wear. Let's see. Gators. Are you a fan of the Gators? I'm a fan, but no, this is like a little bit too expensive. It's 14 bucks. I'm already gonna be over the budget by the time they add taxes to it, you know? No. Remember, guys, I'm challenging myself to $20 today. USA. Not a bad one. Nice little jersey. $16. No. I need something that's around 8 bucks, $7. That's my price range right now. So I need,
like 3 shirts.
yeah, for like 6 bucks each. That would be what? That would be $18. No, $7 would be over the budget. Yeah, so. All right, let's see here. I like this one. It's nice. There it is. What y'all think, guys? And this is 9 bucks. Not bad, but it's still 2 bucks over what I want to spend right now. So I'm gonna put this in the cart for now, though, just in case I decide to go with 2 shirts. But this is last resort, even though I like it. This is 9 bucks. Ooh, it's a nice boxy tee. See? Tokyo, Japan. Yeah? Not bad. I'm gonna try it on though. Hopefully it's not a crop top. I don't like these crop top stuff.
It's just boxy.
And the design on the back is lit. So we're gonna choose between these 2 right here. I'm only gonna take one. I'm leaning towards this one right now. All right? What y'all think about this? No. Nah.
Key can step out, clean like breeze. Money talk loud, member, me no beg please. Lifestyle tune up, girl freeze when the tease. Why? Yeah, a key gun lifestyle, money stack in a pile. Cook food, make moves, and me born fist style. Girl a bubble for the kingdom, love me profile. Every day I'm money and fun, me a live versatile. Key gun lifestyle, out there.
All right, y'all, so everything came up to $20.31. All right, y'all, so we're moving on to the next stop. I'm not gonna tell y'all exactly where I'm going next, You just gotta stick around and see. So this is the inside, guys, of Sushi Bento. It's nice and clean. And today I order the bento box. So you get to choose one base, one protein, and two sides. I chose the fried rice with spicy salmon and the beef roll, and I had me some sake. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna have a seat and let you know how everything is in a minute. All right, y'all, so we're gonna start this off with a shot of sake. All right, so this is the sake that I got. Ooh. This one is not hot, it's cold. All right, so we're gonna check it out, see what we're working with, guys. Not bad, not bad at all. That's good. I'm gonna do a shot for y'all. This one is to all of my new subscribers that are just joining my channel. Thank y'all so much. Thanks for the subscription. And remember, it's absolutely free, you know, to leave a comment, like our videos, and to be a subscriber, all right? Yeah, man, big up on yourself. This one, guys, is made with pure rice wine, right? Yeah, it's rice, pure rice, made with rice, guys. And it's not so dry and it's not so sweet. It's just right. And it pairs like really well with your food, you know, and it's best to consume when it's chill, not hot. So that's my third shot, guys. I'm waiting on my food. And like I said, I ordered the bento box. Primetime Lando, he put me onto that salmon, that spicy salmon, right? So we're gonna check it out and see what they're working with, because he was like, yo, you need to try this bento box. The salmon, I don't know if he got the fried rice, but I chose the fried rice and the actual beef egg roll. I think it's like a cheesesteak type of egg roll. So we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out, guys. I'm excited. This is my third time coming here, but this is gonna be my first time trying the salmon with the fried rice. So let's see. Yo, this is looking humongous. Look at the amount of rice that I got. Ooh, thank you. Nice. And we got some dumplings. These are deep fried, guys. So we're gonna dig in a minute. We're gonna check out everything, and I'm gonna let you know from 1 through 10, on a scale of 1 through 10, how everything is, all right? So once again, this is what I got. This is what I ordered. Beef egg roll, fried rice, spicy salmon. Look at this, guys. Oh my God. Ooh. Yo, I can't wait. Cannot wait, guys. These are hot, so be careful. And these are the deep fried dumplings, guys. Hot. Wow. And just to complement the dumplings, they added some type of sauce on the side. I'm gonna tell you what I recognize from trying the sauce. So the sauce is like a ginger, teriyaki, soy sauce type of flavor. A little sweetness, a little saltiness, a little tanginess to it, and that kick from the ginger. Whoa, this is good. I'm not even exaggerating right now, guys. The sauce with the dumpling, the fried dumpling, it's bussin'. You know, the dumplings are crispy. Wow. and it's soft on the inside. Outside of the dumpling is crispy, inside is soft. Nice little flavor, not too overpowering, just right. All right, guys, so now we're gonna test out the fried rice. This is the fried rice right here. We're gonna try it by itself, then we're gonna add some yum yum sauce. We're gonna try that ginger sauce. We're gonna try some soy sauce with it, and I'm gonna let you know what we're working with. Wow. One more try. This is good. Let me tell you how they cook this, guys. The fried rice is good. It's good, guys, because guess what? They didn't over season it. They allow you, the way they cook it, they allow you to add your own flavor to it. You know, your own soy sauce or that little ginger sauce that we tried earlier with the dumplings. You know, so it's not overly salty or seasoned or anything like that. And that's a plus in my book. You know, you could customize your own to your own liking, basically. So that's a good thing. And as you can see, guys, I'm adding my soy sauce. Once you add that soy sauce to it, that flavor, you know, start to turn up. Now we gotta add that sauce, that soy ginger teriyaki sauce. Mix it up. Take another bite. Wow, this is spectacular, guys. This is something else. Like I said, I'm super excited, guys, because I've tried their food before in the past and it was good. So, you know, I was already, you know, already had high hopes, you know, for the food. We tried the dumplings, we tried the rice. Oh, by the way, we're gonna add some yum yum sauce. Just a little bit. Who the heck is calling me right now? Unknown number, I have no idea who you are. So we're gonna put you on silent for a bit. Yeah, so we're gonna try it with the yum yum sauce, guys. Yum yum sauce. That's good. I'm not a big fan of creamy sauce, right? Creamy sauces. I think with the teriyaki sauce and the ginger sauce, it's perfect. Perfect. But if you're a fan of that creamy, aioli, like mayo-based type of sauces, then you're definitely gonna love it once you add it to the rice. Or you could use it as a dipping sauce for your egg rolls. All right, so now, next up, egg rolls. Egg rolls, baby. So we're gonna try it out, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think at the end of the video, you know? So if you wanna know, like, how good or how bad is this place, you gotta wait until the end of the video. Wow. This is different. Guys, this is, wow. This is super good. One more bite. So, wow. I know this flavor. The flavor, I know exactly what's in this, but I can't remember the name of the whatever seasoning. Ooh. I'm tasting a little bit of tarragon. The herb. Try this, Deandra. Try this by itself. I'm tasting tarragon. The herby flavor. I don't know if that's what it is, but you think it's tarragon, right? Tastes just like it, but I'm not sure, guys. But inside this is beef, some type of cabbage or something like that. But it's good. It's good. We're gonna dip it in that ginger sauce. Wow. And it's fully loaded, as you can see. Look, a lot of meat. But instead of steak, like I think it's ground beef or shaved steak, which is not a problem, which is not a big deal. You know, it's good. As long as it's good, I'm fine. This is the final item on my plate right now, the salmon. I'm gonna let you know. You know me. I'm gonna speak the truth right now. So let's take a bite. Primetime Lando, you recommended this exact item. You recommended this, and you didn't fail, guy. You did not fail, sir. Oh my God. Yo, I'm telling you, it's not salty. It's like well balanced. Nice balance, nice flavor. I love it. Wow. And it seems like they, the way they cook it and serve it, they split the actual salmon. Like once they portion it out, I think it's like 6 ounces, right? Or 8 ounces, but they split it in half. And then they sear it on the flat top, add their sauce to it. But it's well seasoned, guys. You know, it's nice. This is beautiful. Wow, I'm impressed. So, I'm gonna let y'all know. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take a shot right now. It's kind of hard to choose which one is the best, you know? Because everything on my plate is good, guys. Like, I'm not even capping right now. The dumplings, this was the first thing I tried. And it's like, hit out the ballpark, it's good, you know? Salmon is good, rice is good, egg roll is good. You know, I can't complain, guys. I cannot complain. And as you can see, you know, when I just walked in, the ambience, you know, the painting, the cleanliness of the place is way above par, way above average. It's clean. Inside is clean, it's nice and clean. You know, I like the artwork that they have on the wall, you know. Customer service is not bad, you know. The food is great, man. So with that being said, you know, I'm not even gonna be petty and be like, oh, it's a 7 or a 6, blah, blah, blah. No, you know, you gotta give credit where credit is due. The way they cook the food and presented the food and everything, it's a win for me, win-win. So I'm gonna give this spot a 10 out of 10. The food, 10 out of 10. No joke, no capping. Come see for yourself, guys. Sushi Bento. They are located in Lake Wales, Florida. Yes, and I'll leave their address in the description of this video and also on the screen. All right, so keep watching for more amazing content. Let's go.
Key can step out, clean like breeze. Money talk.
This is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed this video today. If you enjoyed the video, please leave us a comment, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet done so. All right, until next time, big up on yourself. And remember, I go live not every morning, Monday through Wednesdays, 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. So if you want to watch me live, you know, making a whole bunch of amazing recipes, food videos and stuff like that, you know, tap in tomorrow morning. All right, peace.